How to find Western Union customer service contact number. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to any of the web browser. Let me move into Safari for now. Once you're in this page, in the search bar, search for Western Union customer service. Click on Allow and then head over to the very first site, westernunion.com. It will land you on the official site of Western Union customer service. Once you're in this page, now what you want to do is, you have to scroll down. Here you will be able to chat with them. And if you swipe left, the contact number will be visible to you. Well, these are the contact number of Western Union customer support. You can make a call to them and then state the issue that you have been facing. Within 24 hours, they will help you out and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.